everyone, and welcome to Professor's Kitchen. Today we're baking up some flourless oatmeal bars, which combine two recipes that are both linked in the description box below. We'll start with the brown butter cream cheese frosting that combines powdered sugar, chilled brown butter, vanilla, cream cheese, and salt. I'll start by browning the butter because it has to cool in the fridge for at least an hour to become solid again before it's able to get mixed in with the other ingredients. Then the brown butter is whipped together and can chill in the fridge again until you need it. We'll be adding this to the top of the bars at the very end after they've cooled. This video is not sponsored, but I will include product info and a link to a friend's Pampered Chef consultant page in case you're interested in purchasing any of the kitchen tools you see in this video. Here I'm using my manual food processor to blend rinsed and shelled chickpeas together with the eggs. I love this food processor because it's quiet and can be used while the kids are napping, so I can bake lots of yummy things or cook lots of yummy things while they're sleeping. Pour the mixture into a bowl, and it doesn't have to be completely smooth. If it's still kind of chunky, that's fine. You'll then add peanut butter, chocolate or white chocolate morsels, quick oats, vanilla, and dried cranberries. I'll then add a third cup of packed brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. Finally, I'll mix everything together and scoop it out into my brownie pan. I recommend using an ice cream scoop for this, but I ended up using a little measuring cup instead, so like the smallest measuring cup that I had. I just packed it full of the mixture and then put it into my brownie pan. And if you don't have a brownie pan, like this particular brownie pan, which again is a Pampered Chef pan, you can use a regular muffin tin, but I love this one because I love corner pieces. They are my absolute favorite. So if you love corner pieces, especially corner brownies, or I love like pie crust, and you can make a lot of different things in this brownie pan. I've made many lasagnas in here and mini quiche and lots of things, and I just love those crispy edges. Just remember to leave some space for the bars to rise, and then slide them into the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. Once they're out of the oven and cooled for about 5 minutes, you can follow the original recipe. The original Pampered Chef recipe calls for you to add melted white chocolate morsels, or you can finish them off with the brown butter cream cheese frosting, like I did here. I love this frosting. I could probably just eat the frosting by itself, and I'm pretty sure that I have. So I'll share more recipes with this brown butter cream cheese frosting with you as well. All right, my two tiny taste testers are always on hand to try out my recipes. The little guy was a tad overwhelmed by the richness of the peanut butter, but overall, I got 2 tiny thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and ciao for now.